Hey guys, I wanted this opportunity to go over your homework with you that we had extended to Monday to help you out so when your test comes you'll be good to go, and your quiz of course. Okay, so first up I have the answers here for our parts. You were asked to look at the image below, use the word bank to identify the parts of a volcano. You only had these particular ones, so as you see, actually I'm going to make this a little smaller and hope that I can see it as well. There we go. As you see, number 1 is the magma chamber. Okay. So that is where the pool of magma is. 3 is the conduit, okay, in which the magma will flow through. That pipe is another word they use for it. 4 is the base. Make sure I got that one. Yes, 4 is the base. So we're looking at the base of our volcano. 12 is lava flow. Remember, when magma leaves the volcano, it becomes lava when it reaches the earth. Then you have the vents for 13, and vents are areas where gases can escape from the volcano. So it's not just at the top, which is actually 14, called the crater. It can also escape from those areas as well. And then you have 15 is your ash cloud. Okay. So those are your responses for your homework. Okay, so and to wrap up your questions for the other side, it says, what are 3 different types of volcanoes? You should have gotten shield, cinder, and composite. Okay, so I think it's cinder cone. Remember, your shield is your broader ones, but they are also the least detrimental when they erupt. Your cinder cone are your smaller ones with the steeper sides. Typically, the lava goes up and then it drops back down. It is your second highest detrimental one. And then you have your composite volcanoes that cause most of your destruction. And the second one says, how do volcanoes create short-term climate shifts? Primarily, the ash that goes out starts to cause the climate shift because it's blocking out the sun. It's causing more sulfur to be in the environment. And your last question specifically done with Mount Tambora and the climate changes that happened in Mount Tambora. So, of course, there was an immediate change in the temperature, but the things came over time. Frost came in the summer, and this disrupted the food crop. This was also known as the year without summer, okay? Because during that summertime, we're supposed to be warmer and the crops are supposed to grow. It did not happen. There was frost on the crops, so the crops are destroyed. Also, in addition, many of the livestock died. So now you're going to have, we have no plants for no crops. We have no animals. And of course, that's going to lead to our foods. That's our food supply, or the food supply that they had back in the day, and well, still today. But their food supply died out. So many died of starvation, but also many died of illness, okay, lung-related illness because of the sulfur that was in the atmosphere. Okay. This, of course, led to people are having bad conditions where they are at, and so therefore they start to migrate, right, and to find a better life and to have better opportunities. Well, this increase of migration caused a higher population to occur in a lot of areas. When migration comes too fast, people don't know how to handle it sometimes, and it becomes an issue. So here we ended up with more people in more confined spaces that arrived pretty quickly. So now we have issues with crime and disease and other illnesses, as well as the influx came in. So there has to be prepared for them. All right, well, that has covered your homework. You guys take care of yourselves, and don't forget, you have a quiz tomorrow.